In today's world, where the reliance on synthetic antibiotics has raised concerns about antibiotic resistance and side effects, turning to nature's pharmacy offers a refreshing and often overlooked solution. The pursuit of natural antibiotics is not just a trend, but a necessary shift towards sustainable health practices. In this guide, we'll explore 7 powerful herbs that have been used for centuries to fight bacterial infections. These natural wonders are not only effective, but also come with fewer side effects compared to their synthetic counterparts. Let's start with garlic, a common kitchen ingredient that packs a powerful punch against bacteria. The secret to garlic's antibacterial properties lies in a compound called allicin, which is released when garlic is crushed or chopped. Allicin has been shown to combat a wide range of bacteria, including those that are resistant to synthetic antibiotics. What makes garlic even more appealing is its accessibility and ease of use. Incorporating garlic into your diet, whether raw or cooked, can bolster your body's defenses against bacterial infections. Next on our list is honey, particularly Manuka honey, which hails from New Zealand and has gained international acclaim for its potent antibacterial properties. Honey in general has been used for wound healing and preventing infections for thousands of years. Manuka honey stands out due to its high concentration of methylglyoxal, MgO, a compound that gives it superior antibacterial capabilities. Studies have shown that Manuka honey can effectively inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria, including MRSA, making it a valuable ally in the fight against infections. Ginger is another herb that deserves a spot in our natural antibiotic arsenal. Renowned for its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial effects, ginger has been a staple in traditional medicine across various cultures. The active components in ginger, such as gingerol, have been found to suppress the growth of bacteria and even certain viruses and fungi. Adding ginger to your diet can aid in digestive health, reduce inflammation, and protect against infections. Turmeric, with its vibrant yellow color, is not just a spice to enhance the flavor of your dishes, but also a powerful anti-inflammatory and antibacterial agent. Curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, is responsible for its health benefits. Curcumin has been extensively studied for its ability to fight bacterial infections and reduce inflammation. It's particularly effective when consumed with black pepper, which enhances its absorption and efficacy. Echinacea is a herb that has long been used in Native American medicine and is known for its ability to boost the immune system and fight infections. Research supports its use in reducing the duration and severity of cold symptoms, as well as its potential to fight bacterial infections. Echinacea works by stimulating the immune system, making it more capable of tackling infections. Oregano, specifically oregano oil, is a potent antibacterial agent that has been shown to be effective against a wide range of bacteria, including those that cause foodborne illnesses. The active compounds in oregano oil, carvacrol and thymol, are credited with its antibacterial properties. Oregano oil can be used topically for skin infections or taken internally for gastrointestinal and respiratory infections. Last but not least, thyme is a herb with a long history of medicinal use, primarily for respiratory and digestive ailments. Thyme contains thymol, an essential oil with powerful antibacterial and antifungal properties. It's effective against bacteria and fungi, making it a valuable herb for preventing and treating infections. While these natural antibiotics offer a promising alternative to synthetic drugs, it's important to use them wisely and consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking other medications. Incorporating these herbs into your diet can provide a boost to your immune system and offer protection against bacterial infections. Remember, achieving optimal health is not about relying solely on one solution, but adopting a holistic approach that includes a balanced diet, regular exercise, and mindfulness practices. These herbs can be part of a broader strategy to maintain health and prevent illness. As we continue to explore the benefits of natural antibiotics, consider subscribing to Natural Healing Guides to stay updated on the latest health trends and tips. Embracing natural remedies can empower you to take control of your health and well-being in a more sustainable and holistic way. Now let us look deeper into each of these herbs and explore how you can incorporate them into your daily routine for maximum health benefits. Let's explore practical ways to incorporate these powerful herbs into your daily routine. This not only enhances your body's natural defenses, but also enriches your diet with flavors and nutrients that promote overall well-being. Starting with garlic, its versatility in cooking is unmatched. To harness its full antibacterial potential, consider adding freshly crushed or chopped garlic to your meals just before serving. This method preserves allicin, the compound responsible for its health benefits. For those who may find raw garlic too potent, fermenting garlic or taking aged garlic supplements is an excellent alternative that still offers health benefits. Honey, particularly Manuka honey, can be more than just a sweet treat. Applying Manuka honey directly to wounds or skin infections can help prevent bacterial growth and speed up healing. When ingested, Manuka honey soothes sore throats and boosts the immune system. Incorporate it into your tea or simply take a spoonful daily, especially during cold and flu season, to reap its benefits. Incorporating ginger into your diet is both easy and beneficial. Ginger tea is a comforting beverage that not only warms the body, but also aids in digestion and fights infections. Adding fresh ginger to smoothies, soups, and stir-fries not only imparts a zesty flavor, but also contributes to your health. For a more concentrated dose, ginger supplements can be an effective option. Turmeric has gained popularity not only in cooking, but also as a health supplement. To increase its absorption, combine turmeric with black pepper in your meals. Golden milk, a traditional Indian drink made with turmeric. Milk, dairy or plant-based, black pepper and other spices, is a delightful way to consume turmeric daily. Turmeric supplements are also available for those seeking a more potent intake. Echinacea can be consumed in various forms, including teas, capsules, and tinctures. Drinking Echinacea tea is a soothing way to boost your immune system, especially during cold and flu season. Echinacea supplements are a convenient option for ongoing support, particularly for those with busy lifestyles. Oregano oil is potent and should be used with caution. For internal use, dilute oregano oil in water or mix it with a carrier oil like olive oil if you're applying it to the skin. Adding a few drops of oregano oil to a diffuser can help purify the air in your home and offer respiratory benefits. Thyme is easy to grow, even in small spaces, ensuring you have a fresh supply. Thyme tea is an excellent remedy for coughs and sore throats. Fresh or dried thyme can also be added to dishes for flavor and health benefits. Thyme oil, like oregano oil, can be diluted and applied topically for skin infections or used in a diffuser to help clear respiratory pathways. It's essential to remember that while these natural antibiotics can offer health benefits, they should not replace professional medical treatment when it's needed. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are pregnant or breastfeeding. Adopting a lifestyle that includes these natural antibiotics can lead to a stronger immune system, reduced dependence on synthetic antibiotics, and ultimately a healthier, more vibrant life. By making small changes in your diet and daily routine, you can harness the power of nature to protect and enhance your health. Embrace these natural remedies as part of a holistic approach to wellness that includes a balanced diet, regular physical activity, adequate rest, and stress management. Together, these practices can help you achieve optimal health and well-being. Stay informed and empowered in your health journey by subscribing to the Natural Healing Guides for more insights and tips. Remember, taking control of your health naturally is not only possible, but also rewarding. Let's continue to explore and embrace the healing power of nature together.